Did you know you can record an animated GIF inside a Samsung phone without installing a single app? I'm going to show you how to turn this feature on. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk, and you know we all love a good GIF once in a while, or a GIF, whatever you call it. I'm not going to get into that debate right now because, after all, it's GIF. We all should know that. Nonetheless, animated GIFs are fun. We all have our favorites, some of the classic ones. But what if you could record your own animated GIF easily and quickly? Well, a lot of people don't know this, but you can on almost every single Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to show you how to enable this feature, how to use this feature, and then how to use it in a text message. I'm jumping right into the camera app here. In the upper left-hand corner, you've got the gear icon. That's your settings. So while you're in standard photo mode, click the settings button, and the fourth option down is where this is located. It says swipe shutter button to take burst shot. Now, a lot of people skip right over this feature. A lot of people skip right over this setting. Well, this is really cool. I don't think it's useful to take burst shots, but that's the default mode in the Samsung. That just means you hold the button down and it takes a whole bunch of pictures really quickly. But if you switch this to create GIF, it takes an animated GIF for you. So we're back inside the Photos app. The feature is now enabled, and here's how it works. So I'm in standard photo mode. If I click the shutter button, it just takes a standard photo. But watch this. If I push my finger on the shutter button and slide down simultaneously, that's when it starts recording an animated GIF, like this. I literally just recorded an animated GIF. It saved it as a GIF file. If I tap on the photo icon to go into my gallery, you'll see the GIF that I just recorded. That's it. That's all it takes. It is such a useful feature. Now, what can you do with this? Well, of course, the easiest thing to do with this is to use it in a text message. Let me show you how that works. So I'm inside the standard text message app on Android, and you'll notice the little picture icon that you normally use to send photos next to the text message dialog box. Let me tap that. And now you'll see that ridiculous GIF I just recorded is right there as my first picture option. Just tap it, it'll insert that into your text message. You can send that and use it just like any other GIF. I don't know why, but most people don't know about this feature, and I think it's one of the coolest, not so hidden features on Samsung Galaxy phones that you should enable right now, because who, after all, is really taking burst shots? But if you had the ability to record a quick GIF of your kid or your friends or something fun, that would be cool, right? I hope this helps. If you're a geek like me and you love fun little tech tips and tricks, product reviews, geeky stuff, subscribe to our channel. Tech it before you wreck it.